Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili bean soup. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including a variety of beans, diced tomatoes, and your favorite chili spices. We'll then walk through the straightforward process of combining these elements to create a delicious and satisfying meal. This guide will help you achieve a rich, comforting soup perfect for any occasion. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of kidney beans, thoroughly rinsed and drained, along with 1 can of diced tomatoes. Don't forget 1 large onion, finely chopped, and 2 cloves of minced garlic for depth. For seasoning, have 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 0.5 teaspoon of smoked paprika ready. These form the foundation of our rich chili bean soup. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté your chopped onions and minced garlic until softened, about 5 minutes. Next, add the rinsed beans, diced tomatoes, and all your spices. Pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for at least 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious chili bean soup is now ready to serve. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with your favorite toppings, such as fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or some shredded cheddar cheese. It pairs wonderfully with warm cornbread or a slice of crusty bread. For more cooking inspiration and other fantastic deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.